Hi there. I'm excited today because I get to share with you the DeckMasters process. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 6 key steps that DeckMasters takes to ensure that your project is a success. So please sit back and enjoy while I share with you the DeckMasters process. The first step in the process is the consultation. During the initial consultation, one of our experienced deck designers is going to come to your home and discuss what your dreams are for the space. After that, they're going to have an important conversation with you about what your budget is. Because without a clear picture of what your desired budget is, it's very difficult for us to successfully design your project without exceeding that budget. Once we've gotten clear about what your dreams are for the space and what your desired budget is, your designer is going to carefully measure and photograph the space so that they have all the details that they need to assist in your design. Once that's complete, we'll take a few moments to discuss the DeckMasters process and what's going to happen from here. The next step in that is the estimate. At DeckMasters, we always provide a free estimate. At this point, I like to take a minute to explain the difference between an estimate and a proposal. An estimate is just that, an estimated cost based on our experience, expertise, and knowledge in the industry to be able to complete your project. A proposal is an exact fixed cost price that takes several hours of planning and designing and refining to be able to create. We always like to have a conversation about the estimated cost so that we can try to refine what your desires are for the space to make sure that they also line up with your budget before we enter into the next phase in the process, which is the planning and design agreement. The planning and design agreement is a simple one-page document outlining the next steps in the DeckMasters process, the planning and design. This is where the real fun starts and your project starts to come to life. The first step in the planning and design phase is for your designer to take all of your dreams, your measurements, and photos of your existing space and create a 3D design for you to review. Once that's complete, your designer and the proposal team will create a proposal for you outlining every detail of your project and the cost to complete it. At this point, we like to invite you into our custom showroom to come see real-life examples of all of the high-quality materials that will be utilized in your project. The last step in the planning and design is to go ahead and sign the proposal and get on the schedule to build your dream space. Once that's complete, we move into step number 4 in the DeckMasters process, which is the project prep. The first step in project prep is to have what we call a handoff meeting. This is where we will hand off all of the details of your project from the design team over to our production team. This meeting is crucial to make sure that all of the elements that you've been talking about with your designer are communicated to our production team. From there, our production team will help you with all of the selections for the materials that will be utilized in your project. Our production team will also send you an invitation to Builder-Trend, which is a digital portal where you'll be able to access real-time information about your project, everything from your proposal and selections to photographs of your project, as well as the schedule for your project. The last piece to project prep is the permitting. But don't worry, our production team has all of that handled and will facilitate everything that's required to obtain the permit for your project. Once that's complete, we move on to the next step in the DeckMasters process, which is build your dream. During this phase, our experienced team of builders will bring to life your dream. And there's just one step left in this process, and that's invite some friends over and enjoy your space. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope that you'll agree that the DeckMasters process is the difference that makes a successful project a reality for you.